Finger Family.
Welcome to the Finger Family. I am the Daddy Finger. Raffaello is a favorite chocolate for lots of us. Here's a simple recipe to make Raffaellos taste in ice cream. These are the 4 ingredients which are required for making this ice cream. These are listed in the description below. Add 8 Raffaello. One cup of condensed milk, 1 cup of coconut milk, half cup of milk, and beat well. Make sure that the Raffaello balls are crushed well. In this step, the consistency is still be a little watery and not creamy. Transfer it to a bowl and freeze it for 3 hours. After 3 hours, beat the mixture again. Now the consistency will get more creamy. Transfer it to a bowl and freeze it for 5 hours. Yummy Raffaello ice cream is ready.
If you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.